Hello and welcome to yet another free speaking video. Today is 4th of November and I am back to my routine. I'm back to the place where I live. I'm back to India from Dubai and getting back to your routine, doing the things which you used to do. Things have not changed and you have still got to do what you were doing. Uh, it feels good. Um, I don't know. It has just been a one day for me after coming back from Dubai. But yesterday I was just very bored, very bored. Like in the sense that what now? What now? What is my next move? That okay, this is done. This was what I always expected myself to be at. That okay, at least one foreign visit I want to do. That has been done. What now? The question arises. Also, start to see your limitations and how much like less prepared you are in terms of future, in terms of planning, in terms of earning or whatever, in terms of skills, how much unprepared you are. That you got to know. You got to see the world all around, people all from all around the globe, and you got to see your limitations, the limitations of your perspectives. And it's not like completely feeling like okay, I am not enough. Not like that, but still, you get to see that okay, world is really big and you need something. You need to do something because your world is very limited. Your environment is very limited. You just need to change yourself. And how you can change? You just need to have a change in your environment. That's the only thing. Anyhow, you have to change. And you have to put an effort for that. Niklo. If you don't feel tight, just you have to put an effort. That was what I learned from going to Dubai and coming back from there. I'm very happy to do my regular usual running, my exercising and all to the place which is my comfort. Right? I feel happy. But I think in terms of work and all those shit, I need to work a lot. I need to improve. I need to work on myself. And how can I be more better? That was what I got. That was what the feeling that I got, or the realization that I got. Uh, like 1 week of Dubai, like you got to see the fascination about, like you saw a world there, and you have not a fascination. Not in a fascination. I mean, like fascination in the sense that okay, you're no longer very much fascinated by the seeming cool people around your environment now. The world is too big. There are always infinite number of people who are way far better than you. And in terms of looks, in terms of money, in terms of skills, and socially they are very good, right? And you have to keep open your eyes. That was what you have to do. That okay, what is the good behavior about that person? How can I inculcate that thing, that type of thinking or behavior in me? Okay, this is a good thing. How the best of that person can I pursue inside me? That was what the feeling that I got. What other than that, I just don't know. Yes, India women's won the World Cup. That's very great thing. That's very great news. I think India women's won the World Cup for the first time. Men team was not able to do that, but women did that, and that's 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 great. That's great. That's crazy. That knock by Jamima Rodriguez in the semi-final was extremely crazy. Also in the final, all played well. Very nice. Very great. What other than that we can talk about? What other than that we can talk about? I just don't know. I was like, just let me start repeating my usual regular routine of what I used to do, what I have to do in everyday tasks. And yeah, that feels great. It's been a 6 minutes and I still don't have any topic to talk about. I don't know. We'll start reading again from now on. We'll start to read books and articles and all. I don't know why am I saying this into the video. It's just for the sake of that I need to complete the video. That's why it's the case. I think I'll be completing more 2 minutes and we'll be finishing the video in 8 minutes more. I don't have anything else to add on. There is this condition called brain fog. Brain fog happens. What are the things that happens when you are in a brain fog situation? Unable to remember things, zoning out situation, like again and again zoning out, not able to think properly. These are the symptoms of the brain fog. Brain fog is a condition, and largely it is mostly, as the researchers says, it has been created nowadays because of overconsumption of social media. Right? Social media is a substance, and it just numbs your thing, and is no longer able to think properly. They are just making you thinking less, more and more, not helping you to think more. So you need to stay away from social media and start to be in the present moment. I feel like I suffer from a brain fog. Many other times that keeps us zoning out, thinking something all the time. Most of the time, majority of the time that happens, and I think I need to eliminate that actively. I don't know whether it is a cat condition or not, but I'm getting that feeling that okay, this thing is happening. At least this thing is happening, that zoning out, not able to remember things on time. Like not on an extreme level that happens, but sometimes that happens. I need to remove that. I need to be more better person. I need to be more stronger person and stronger self of myself. And I need to be the person so that people around me feel so proud that okay, this is a great guy. He's a great guy. If he's there, he'll be completing the task. He can finish anything. And they're happy to take you in your team. Right? So it's not like just depending on to the opinions only, but it is in your hand as well that you get yourself to that updated or upgraded self. You become more powerful. That's a situation, a condition. Right? You need to observe, and need to tell stories, experiences. तुम अपने experiences लोगों को भेजते हो. What else can I talk about? I just don't know. I just really don't know what else can I add on into my video. But yeah, I just don't know. Most of the time I was just very quiet in this video. There were many spaces in between. Was not continuous, but it's okay. I just completed 10 minutes and that's enough for me. See you tomorrow, and yeah, you just need to do something. Need to do something. Need to be more and more strong. That's what I get a feeling. That's the feeling that I get. Okay, this thing occurred, but you are not strong enough. It's not like you're not enough, but you're not strong enough. I need to work on that. You need to work on that seriously. See you tomorrow.